Another day, another major step forward at Camp Nou. The stadium continues to transform, with the third tier taking shape, the compression ring moving closer to completion, and the ceramic llamas adding more and more of the final look to the facade. The progress is becoming clearer with every update, so let's take a closer look at what's happening across the stadium today. The ceramic llamas across the south goal facade are now almost fully installed. The entire goal sur corner lateral frontage is covered, with only a small remaining section near the corner still to be completed. The final lower perpendicular pieces have also been installed, bringing this section much closer to its finished appearance. Finishing works continue across the south goal mobility cores. Final panels are being installed, while workers are completing the remaining corner pieces in lateral sections. The lower portions of several cores are already covered, with only a few finishing elements still pending before these areas reach their final appearance. The cladding process is continuing across the south goal cores, with additional sections now being covered between the first and second terraces. More sandwich panels and finishing elements are being installed, while the upper support structures required for future ceramic llama installation are still being prepared in some areas. The compression ring has entered its final installation phase. The last intermediate cimbra has now been positioned on the third terrace, creating the temporary support required for the remaining sections. 12 compression ring boxes are still pending, but before they can be installed, the Riostra beams and their supporting structure must be completed between the final pillars. Once this bracing work is in place, the remaining boxes can be progressively installed to complete the compression ring. Work continues on the remaining ceramic llamas, with teams focusing on the final sections where a few gaps are still visible. At the same time, workers are continuing to check and adjust the LED lighting system behind the llamas, making sure the connections and lighting patterns are ready ahead of the Gamper match. Protective paper is still visible on several ceramic pieces, while platforms remain in position for the final adjustments. Teams are also working around the completed sections to ensure the lighting system is properly integrated with the facade. Finishing and painting works continue around the first cantilever, with workers completing the remaining exposed sections of the structure. Mobile platforms and painting equipment are still positioned in the area, indicating that the unfinished wall surfaces are being prepared for their final treatment. The overall section is gradually becoming more complete as these final works progress. Workers are also checking smaller areas that still require additional coating and finishing. These details are helping to bring the entire cantilever closer to its final appearance. Work continues inside the south goal on the internal facilities, with workers building walls and structural divisions for future bathrooms, bars, restaurants, and other service areas. Several sections already have substantial wall structures in place, while teams continue progressing around the mobility cores on both the lower and upper levels. More internal spaces are now clearly defined as the wall construction advances across the area. The continued activity shows that the interior layout is gradually taking shape ahead of the later installation and finishing stages. The mobility cores in the south goal continue to receive sandwich panels, with workers actively installing and finishing new sections. The most advanced core already has a large portion of its exterior enclosure completed, while work continues on the neighboring cores. Additional finishing and access platform works are also progressing around these areas. Workers are moving between the upper and lower sections as they continue closing the remaining exposed parts of the cores. New anchoring elements are now clearly visible along the lateral section at the VIP ring level. These anchors are being installed across the sandwich panel structure and will prepare the facade for its next exterior finishing stage. A large part of the lateral section already has these anchoring points in place. The installation is now becoming visible across a much wider portion of the facade, showing that this preparation phase is moving forward. These elements will provide the necessary fixing points for the next exterior components. Work is beginning to become visible beneath the third cantilever, with new supports being installed in this area. These works are related to the technical services that need to pass beneath the cantilever, including drainage, water pipes, and other building installations. This marks another step in preparing the upper structure for its future operational use. Similar technical work will be required across the different sections beneath the cantilevers. The installation of these supports now gives a clearer indication of how the service infrastructure is being integrated into the stadium. Work continues around the third tier, with activity focused on the remaining structural and finishing elements. The section is progressing gradually, but it is still not expected to open immediately for regular use. Further work will be required before the seating and final operational preparations can be completed. Teams continue working on the areas that still need finishing before the section can become fully operational. For now, the focus remains on completing the necessary construction and preparation works rather than opening the entire tier. The remaining central lateral section is being prepared for future ceramic lamella installation. Additional ceramic pieces and installation equipment are already being stored nearby, while the teams continue completing the mobility cores that are currently preventing the next lamas from being installed. Once these core sections are finished, the facade work can continue across this remaining area. Workers are also continuing with the necessary anchoring and preparation works around the completed sections. Work continues around the lateral stair areas, with workers welding and preparing stair elements while construction materials are being organized nearby. Platforms, stair components, and other materials are being moved and stored across the area as the stadium progresses toward its next finishing stages. Several stair elements are being prepared before they are moved into their final positions around the structure. The compression ring has now entered its final stage, with only 12 smaller boxes remaining to complete the entire ring. 3 gaps are still visible between the radial beams, and each gap requires 4 smaller boxes. One of these boxes is already prepared on site, while the remaining pieces are expected to arrive progressively. With the main structure already in place, the final connection of the compression ring could now happen very soon, potentially within this week, or at the latest, next week. Work continues across the tribuna area with sandwich panel installation and preparation progressing in different sections. Some areas are already covered with the panels, while other sections are being painted and prepared before the next panels are installed. Workers are also adjusting and positioning individual panels in the interior sections, with measurements and final alignment being carried out before fixing them into place. Preparation for the remaining ceramic lamas continues around the tribuna mobility core areas. Several anchoring points are already visible on the structural brackets, but some sections are still missing the actual supports required for the lamas. Workers are using elevated platforms to continue preparation work around these areas before the remaining ceramic pieces can be installed. Fire protection installation is progressing inside the south gold diamond and surrounding interior areas. The red fire safety pipes are being extended through the upper sections, with workers using elevated platforms to connect and position the remaining parts of the system. A large portion of the pipework is already in place, while additional connections are still being completed around the future commercial and interior spaces. The ceramic lamas across the lateral mobility core sections are now fully installed, with the remaining visible gaps from previous days now filled. Workers are also removing the protective plastic coverings from the newly installed ceramic pieces, revealing more of the final facade appearance. With the lamas now covering the complete sections, the lateral facade is looking much more finished than before. The focus is now shifting toward the remaining lighting and finishing works around these areas. LED installation is continuing across the completed lama sections, with workers using elevated platforms to install and adjust the remaining fixtures and their associated wiring. Some sections already have the lighting system fully installed, while other areas are still receiving the final LED fixtures. These works are gradually completing the lighting system behind the ceramic facade, following the recent nighttime lighting tests. The Goal Nord area continues to show extensive progress on its ventilation infrastructure, with large quantities of ventilation ducts already installed throughout the interior sections. Much of the available ceiling space is now filled with these ducts, creating a dense network across the upper areas. Workers are still carrying out additional connections and finishing work, but the overall ventilation system is already significantly advanced. There has been limited visible progress with new sandwich panel installation around Goal Nord in recent days. The interior panels were installed previously, while no significant new panels have been added to the exterior sections for now. Some work continues around the mobility core areas, including activity from elevated platforms. But this section remains relatively quiet compared with the lateral and south goal. The existing sandwich panels remain installed inside the corner area, while workers continue with interior construction and preparation works. Block walls and structural elements are still being developed across the lower sections, with several workers active in the area. Additional finishing and preparation work is also continuing around the surrounding structure, as this part of the corner still has several stages to complete before the next facade works can progress. And that's the latest from Camp Nou, with the Gamper now just one day away. The LED facade is taking shape, the final construction works are moving forward, and the stadium is getting closer to another historic night. We'll be back for the Gamper with all the latest action and updates from the stadium. Visca Barça.